Alright, hey YouTube, kdisjubjub here. Sorry it's been such a long time since I made a video. I basically got lazy, bored, tired. Actually, no, I have a lot of homework nowadays. So yeah, as you can tell, we're unboxing the Netgear N300 Wireless USB adapter. Obviously, if you guys know, I have the MacBook, but we have a PC downstairs which is not wireless, and we're relocating it, so we're going to need one of these. We picked this up at Best Buy for $54. This is the middle one, and just so you know what it comes with, the simple sharing is the N150. It's up to 150 megabytes per second. The range is good, and you can only surf, email, and chat. But this one here, the Work and Play N300, is up to 300 megabytes per second. The range is better. You can surf, email, and chat. Stimulus downloads videos and music and online gaming. And then the high performance one, the N600, is all that this one can do, but it has larger home or multiple floors and avoid interference. So basically, it's push and connect, push button security, convenient cradle to use for desktop PCs, easy smart wizard setup, reliable and compatible, an expert technical support team. And here's how to connect. On the side, and trust me, I know this is not that special, but just system requirements. Intel Premium Class PC, available USB 1.1 or USB 2.0 slot, Microsoft Windows 7 XP Vista, and yeah, it comes with the wireless adapter, the cradle, the installation guide, and the Smart Wizard installation CD. And I'm pretty sure this will work on Mac, but you might need some special drivers from Netgear or from a third-party source. So let's just get this box open. So here, the first thing you see is Connect with Innovation. This is the typical Netgear setup installation CD. Package contents. Shows what comes in the box, and just a simple setup guide. Alright, here we go. Here is the wireless adapter itself. Stop, return the installation. Okay, I don't care. Alright, so here it is. Let me take the plastic off, which everybody loves to do. Alright, here we go. So it's nice and a shiny, glossy thing. So here's that push to connect button. So you just push and I guess it connects. And then on the back is just that. And it's a very low profile thing. Like here I have my Apple Magic Mouse, which I do have an unboxing and I think a review. So you can tell it's a pretty small profile. I mean, it's not mini. Here's a freestyle watch. So it's not that big, but I don't think you guys really care. Let's see what else we get in here. Just some cardboard, and let me get my knifey knife. It's actually kind of nice. Alright, so peel some of this stuff off. So here is the stand. It's actually a really cool stand. So it props up like that, and then I guess you just plug this in. just like so. And you plug this USB in, and it's just a stand. It's nothing that amazing, but it's a nice plus to have other than just dangling from your computer. And I guess you can use this with any USB. Let's see, maybe if you want to put a USB hub. Yeah, that fits too. So you can have this if you want to plug in a USB hub, which is actually kind of nice. It'll make it look nicer. So that's cool. So yeah, just you come with this and that, and then you have your installation CD and setup guide. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. And I am making an unboxing of the Microsoft Wireless keyboard and mouse for the computer too. And I'm going to be getting a new iMac, 27-inch, the top specs iMac. So subscribe to be looking for some videos of that. Alright, see ya. Bye.